Let's have the power of a fraction. So given a fraction raised to a certain power, you have to raise the given numerator and denominator to the given power. So 2/3 squared is equal to 2 square, which is 4, over 3 square, 9. So we have 4 over 9 as our answer. Let's have x over y cubed, where y here must not be equal to 0. So x over y cubed is equal to x cubed over y cubed. Let's have another given, a squared over b cubed raised to 3. Okay, so this time we're going to apply the power of a power. So this is equal to a squared cube is a raised to 2 times 3 is 6 over b, 3 times 3 is 9. So the answer is a to the 6th over b to the 9th. Let's have another given. We have 3x cubed over 4y to the 5th squared. So first, we have to square 3. So 3 square is 9. Then x cubed square is x to the 6th over 4 squared is 16. Then y to the 5th square is y to the 10th. So we have 9x to the 6th over 16y to the 10th. Next we have 2m cubed n squared over 3x to the 4th y cubed. So let's have 2 cubed is 8. M cubed raised to the 3rd power is m to the 9th. Then n squared cubed is n to the 6th over 3 cubed is 27. X to the 4th cube is x to the 12th. Then y cubed. So we have the answer 8m to the 9th n to the 6th over 27x to the 12th y cubed.